You haven't been to classes? Is something wrong?
Jeremy, I'm dropping out of school.
What? Why?
Paul says he'll take care of me.
Paul? Are you crazy? Paul is no good. Paul is a womanizer and he wants to control you.
Jeremy, I have to go. Paul is coming.
Who are you?
I'm Jeremy, Sharon's friend from the university.
Sharon has no friends. You can leave now.
Excuse me? Sharon!
I don't want him here.
Paul, he's my classmate.
Darling, I am your only mate. Remember, I have to work to take care of you. I'll be back shortly.
Where are you going?
Sharon, I am a popular DJ. I'm going to play at a party.
Party so early?
Need to mind a business.
You're going to see her?
Excuse me?
I know it's that girl named Monique.
Where you get that name from?
She sent you text messages.
So have you been reading my text messages?
Who is Monique?
Mind your business. You don't need to know.
Don't bring any HIV into this house, you know?
What's your mouth?
She must be a whore.
Don't call my woman a whore. You made me do it. Wipe off your pretty face. I love you. Take off your clothes.
No, Paul. I'm not feeling well and I'm not into this tonight.
Listen, you are my woman. You should always be in the mood.
Okay, Paul. Please use a condom.
Don't use condom at home.
No, Paul.
What, you worried you have HIV or something?
No, Paul.
Sharon, who did this to you? Sharon, you let Paul beat you? Why?
He loves me, Jeremy. He beats me because he loves me.
No man that loves a woman will beat her.
And
What else did he do?
he raped me last night.
What?
I will end it.
What you going to do, Sharon?
Kill him.
No. You will go to prison. No man is worth that. You must report this to the police.